Hi everyone, welcome back to Rooted in Design. Today I want to focus on outdoor spaces. It's become a trend that most people, when you're looking for lots, they want to have the green space in the back. A, for their kids to be running around, or maybe for them to build something in the back and make it usable to entertain. So when you're looking for properties, definitely keep that in mind if some of the elements that I talk about is something you want to implement in your future property. So when you're talking to Dream Select Realty, definitely bring that up. And if you already have a current property, know that these outdoor elements that you are likely to implement will be beneficial to you, but also if you decide to sell the home, it'll bring a lot of value. So what are outdoor key elements I think are important and actually bring value to the home? Well, it's become a big trend to have outdoor kitchens uh, and also to have like a built-in barbecue area where it really creates an entertainment center and you can plate things out. You don't need to take out like movable furniture, it's all built in. I've even seen people install brick ovens outdoors, especially if they have big families. All of that can really be integrated in different ways. I also have seen as people install in-ground pools, they might want a small little pool house so they don't have to have their kids or themselves dragging water into the home. It can be done through a mudroom indoors, but a little pool house with a bathroom and a little changing room can make a huge difference in how you take care of your space and efficiency. And also other things that I find really appealing and are beneficial is just doing a trellis with a translucent roof. It gives it the aesthetic of that light and open. You still get light below when you're using it, but you're protected by the rain if you want to be outdoors still. And if you do a deck on a second floor, that underneath space is covered and it creates this bridge between the indoor and outdoors. So I always emphasize if you're doing a second floor deck to actually enclose the bottom of it. And you can add lights, really making that transition from your back of the house into your backyard seamless. And a couple things I do want to point out in terms of implementing all of this, because you might say, oh, I want it all. Sometimes your lot might not be big enough. So it's picking and choosing the elements you're really going to use, but also talking to me and figuring out what the regulations allow in terms of the space and layout. For instance, a pool is not just a pool that you install. You'll have to make sure it's at least 10 feet from the back door. It's all going to have to be gated, at least 4 foot high fencing. You're going to need a gate. And actually, the newer code now requires an alarm system to go off. God forbid something happens and someone drowns or jumps into the pool. So, all these little things you need to take into account, especially when you're looking at the budget side of things. And also sequencing if you're doing this in phases. If you might want to go with the pool first, but maybe we start to pre-plan and phase out a master plan of future phases of where that outdoor kitchen will go, where a possible gazebo or trellis might be. So just the same as the indoors, the outdoors definitely needs planning and expertise in how to lay everything out. So if you have any questions on this or are interested, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to talk to you about it.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.